Yes, so Chivido second outfit no be small thing. Davido rapping Edo in honor of his late mother. Chef Chi rapping the eastern part of Nigeria, her culture. Igbo kweze nwe. Ha, Davido, wait now, make una reach house.
Just whisper that here, please. Just kiss her neck, everything.
Yes, wow.
Amazing.
Yes.
Someone please smile. Big smile. Perfect.
Don't start oh, hey, rainy season occasion. Remedy blocks say village people don't finally find their way to Chivido 2024 without any ivy, as heavy rain is reportedly falling at the venue. Night gossip news say breaking news, almost heavy rain don dey fall for Davido wedding oh. They get tent now, she be na inside too. Another person say rain or shine, we mount for Chivido. The rain will not stop us. We are definitely bringing our wife in style. Tochi say 37 rainmakers are currently holding the rain in Lagos Island. No be small thing o. Wahilja. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo don arrive. The Ooni of Ife, e don show. Alright, so now thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.